In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely deposit and withdraw funds in your Exness personal area. Before moving money, start by verifying your account. In your Exness personal area, complete both identity verification, often called KYC, and your address verification. This step protects your account, helps prevent fraud, and unlocks full deposit and withdrawal functionality. Have a valid government ID and a proof of address document ready, and make sure the details match your account profile to avoid delays. Next, log into your personal area. Once you're in, head to the deposit section. Here you'll choose how you want to fund your account. You can select crypto such as USDT or BTC, e-wallets like Skrill or Neteller, bank cards or bank transfers. Pick the option that best suits your needs and availability. A quick tip: consider using the same method you plan to withdraw with later, as this helps keep your transactions smooth and consistent with platform policies. After selecting a method, enter the amount you want to deposit. You'll be redirected to the payment provider's page to confirm and complete the transaction. Take a moment to double-check the amount, the currency, and any provider details shown. If you're using crypto, make sure you choose the correct network and follow any tag or memo instructions if they're required by the provider. Confirm the payment, and then return to your personal area to see the status of your deposit. When you're ready to withdraw, log into your personal area again and navigate to the withdrawal section. Choose the same method you used for your deposit, whether that's crypto, an e-wallet, or a bank transfer. This helps keep your account in good standing and ensures your funds return through the correct channel. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the request. Keep an eye on any minimums or provider-specific limits displayed on the screen. To finalize the withdrawal, complete the security verification. You'll receive a code by email or phone depending on your security settings. Enter the code promptly, as these codes often expire for your protection. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or wait a moment for delivery. Never share security codes with anyone. That's it. With your account verified, deposits made through your chosen method, and withdrawals confirmed with the security code, you're set to move funds safely. Processing times can vary by method, so monitor your transaction status in your personal area and your payment provider for updates.